With the SkyScout powered, we're going to go ahead and unpower the craft. And what we need to do is simply press in the slide rail button and slide a battery forward. Same thing on the other side. Press in the slide rail button, slide the battery forward. When the batteries are slid forward, you can then remove them from the craft. Start by folding in one of the rear props and move the lever towards the inside body of the drone. Move the lever arm fully before moving the arm of the drone. Repeat on the other side. Fold the prop, move the lever arm in towards the body of the drone and fold in, and then repeat the same for the front. I'm going to go ahead and fold the prop, bring the lever arm into the drone and fold the arm back, and finally fold the prop, bring the lever arm in and fold the arm. Packing back up. Putting batteries back in case. Hand controller. Drone. Removing the legs. Placing in the case. Good to go.